We're here in Hall 12 at the NEC Motorhome and Caravan Show, and I'm here with Matthew from MiRiDER. Hi Matt, how you doing?
Hi, very well. So day 3, looking forward to it.
You sound a little bit tired already, I'm not going to lie.
It was a busy show, really hectic. So yeah, the days are long, talking to lots of people, but it's great getting feedback from potential customers, but lots of owners as well who stop by, give the feedback, buy an accessory. It's brilliant.
Fantastic. So tell us a little bit about MiRiDER. What exactly are they?
So MiRiDER is focused on currently folding e-bike, 16-inch wheel, great for the leisure sector as we're here at the show, but also commuting and just generally people getting healthy and back on a bike again.
Isn't it cheating though, being on an e-bike?
Yes, it could be deemed as cheating, but with the mixed power levels, people can rein that back as they feel. If they want to get exercise and push a bit harder, they can.
And the other big feature, of course, is that they fold up really tiny, don't they?
Yeah, the folding aspect is great. Our bike folds in a really small package, perfect for back of the van, the motorhome. We've had a lot of people kind of downsizing. They want to take bikes off the rear rack and get them inside for security and practicality as well.
And what do they weigh when they're folded up? Well, they don't weigh any different when they're unfolded, do they? What's the weight of one?
So our bike is 17 kilos with the battery on, 16 with it off. So pretty light for most people to manoeuvre.
And I'm sure it's the number one question you get asked, but what's the range on one?
Yeah, range is the biggest question. So we've tested 45 miles as a maximum, but in reality, probably more like 30 to 35 miles most people get to.
And the recharge time?
Just 2.5 hours from empty, so quite fast.
And that's on a 240 volt power supply, I guess, is it?
Yeah, so we'd give you a mains charger. It's similar to a laptop charger, very simple to get on with.
And tell me, what do they cost?
So the base bike is £1,595. We've got various accessories that you can add on to, but we have a flagship model with all the bells and whistles, belt drive, 3-speed, and that's £2,500.
Right, brilliant. And I noticed you've got a couple of special editions here. There's one here from John and Mandy, is that right?
Yeah, John and Mandy are our friends on YouTube, so they've been ambassadors really. They saw the bike, they wanted to get involved. They love riding the bikes.
And I can clock a blue one there from my friend Guy at Vanlove Fest. You're sponsoring that event next year, aren't you?
Yeah, we are. We visited the show this summer and loved it. It's the perfect crowd for us, so why not headline it?
Fantastic. So if you want to find out more about MiRiDER, where can people find out more?
So obviously direct to our website, mirider.co.uk. But if you can't, come and see us in Wigan. We've got a huge dealer network, 120 strong, all across the country. So you can simply put your postcode in our website and find your local dealer.
Brilliant, Matt. Have a great show. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Great. Thank you very much.
Well, we're running a bit late for the next interview, so I'm going to borrow one of these and get there double quick time.